Does your website look lame and dull? You don't need to worry because I was one of you back then until I found ReactBITS. So ReactBITS is a component library where you can find text animations, backgrounds and cool animated components, nav bars and many more. I am Ritesh and in this video I am going to teach you how to use ReactBITS component library in your project so that your project don't look dull and lame and it looks cool. So let's get started. So the very first thing is to search for reactbits.dev and you can see the landing page only have so many cool animations. Now just go to browse components and here on the left side you can see there are all the components, and on the right side or on the main page we have the preview of the component. So you can go one by one and see all these beautiful animations and components and just select what you like or what you want to add in your website. So let's add this text type in my website. So here is the current state of the website. Who likes this one? Now here you can see there is a install option. Some of the libraries require external modules, so you have to install this module. I am using npm pack manager, so I will just install this. And now this package is installed. Now since I haven't set up Tailwind yet, Tailwind is great by the way, so I am just going to use the CSS and I am using JavaScript. You can also use this in TypeScript. So just copy this and text type. Okay, so I will make another file, text type .jsx, and just paste the code here. And here is the CSS file. So I will just copy the CSS file and go to index.css and paste it here. Now I can simply use the code, and here is the usage provided. So I have to import this and then text type wrapper, and these are the properties. So let's select this and I have to import text type. So I will just import it. So text type is installed and I have this. So let's change this to something else. And let's see on the website how it shows up. Okay, so we have text type.css. So we don't need that. We can just delete this. And like that you can see here is our text, like this video. You can add more components similarly to this. So if I want to add a shine to this Vite plus React, just like this, I have to go to the code and install this additional package, and I have this code. So I will just copy this and make another file and paste it here. Let's name it shiny text only, and I don't need the CSS. I will just paste it. If you are doing this in your project, you should create another CSS file, but I'm just showing, so I'm not gonna use any CSS file. And I have the text here, just some shiny text, and the speed feature is there, class name is there. So let's just use this. So I will copy this, and here in the app.jsx I need to import shiny text, and here is the Vite plus React logo, text, and I will just Vite plus React. Now here is the Vite plus React, and this have a shiny effect. Let's add this true focus on Vite plus React instead of the shiny text. That will be so cool. Okay, so I will just make another file. What was the name of the component, by the way? True focus. And let's just create truefocus.css for now. Remember, when you do this in your original project, you need to manage these files like CSS in other folder and all the UI files in other folder, all the components in other folder, because that will become easier to you when it comes to debugging your code and when you found some error. So it will be easy for you. Import true focus. And how do we use it? So we are going to use a sentence equal to true focus. So we need to this. So I will just copy this, and instead of the Vite plus React I will add Vite React, and let's see if it works. So motion React is missing, that package is missing. Probably we're gonna install it. Motion slash React, package name was motion, not motion slash React. So now we have installed that, and if we see, just reload it, and the true focus is here. We can just use the Vite plus React, and if we click, the focus moves. You see how cool this is. There are also scope for backgrounds, so we can add these crazy backgrounds. So let's add this liquid ether, npm install 3, and this is the usage. We don't know the usage yet, and we have to just liquid ether ether.jsx, paste the code here and copy the css. Liquid ether.css, paste the css here. So we'll go to usage, and it says using like this. So let's go to app.jsx, and after return add this, and nothing is happening on reload. Uncaught reference liquid ether notifying. Oh yeah, I forgot to import liquid ether, then reload it, and here we have it. So what's happening? Why it's like this? There is some error, so we can do or just copy the code, open anything you like, and just tell it to fix the code. And here we have our app component. Let's paste it and see if it works. So as you can see, now it works like fine. There is some design errors still, but I think we can fix it. You know, imagination can be stopped anywhere, and you can imagine anything and you can build that thing. So go and use ReactBITS and make your projects look very cool and very beautiful. So like the video and subscribe for more such content, and comment down if you have any doubts or anything you want to share. So you can just comment down below. So let's end this video. Bye.